Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush the Discover Boss. You're on the Raymore Reviews channel. It's another driving video. If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate. Click that red subscribe button and join the Raymore Reviews family. Subscribing is completely free. We're trying to get to 6,000 subscribers by September 1st or before. So definitely join the club, join the family as well. Remember to leave a comment and like the video. You can even like before watching, and definitely share the video as well to someone else so they can see the beauty of Jamaica and all the nice developments and nice things happening in Jamaica as well. A big thank you for all the loyal supporters, subscribers, viewers who always watch, who always comment, who always share. Much and very much appreciated. So we're on another driving video right now. We're on Constant Spring Road. That's in Kingston. That's basically in half a tree. So we're doing a drive from Constant Spring Road to Waterloo Road. So just drive along with me and see all that's happening on the road, and definitely leave a comment as well. Alright, so we're now on South Avenue heading up to Waterloo Road direction. Alright, so directly in front of us is that iconic 20 South apartment complex. I think everybody should recognize the 20 South by now. It's one of the most luxurious apartment complex in Kingston right now, probably the most luxurious. I have a full property tour on the channel. I'll put that link in the description and in the comments for the 20 South, so you guys can have a look inside. So this is South Avenue. We're coming off Constant Spring Road heading on to Waterloo Road. So we'll have some traffic battling. So the left turn that we just passed is Merrick Avenue. so we're now on Waterloo Road. So we're heading in the direction of Devon House. Alright, so we have Devon House on the left. Alright, so this is the intersection for Waterloo Road. And then we're heading back down in half a tree. Just past the stoplight at Oak Road and Waterloo Road, heading back down into half a tree now. Alright guys, there you have it. Reviews Road to Waterloo Road and back into Halfway Tree. Definitely leave your comment, like the video. So definitely leave a comment guys, like the video and share as well. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And thanks for watching another driving video. It was Reviews Road to Waterloo Road, then on to Oak Road into Halfway Tree. So thanks for all the support. Thanks for watching. See you on another video.